Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from bankruptcy with Wells Fargo, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your financial situation. Review your credit report to understand your current standing. Identify the reasons that led to bankruptcy and learn from them. Create a realistic budget to manage your finances going forward. Consider opening a Wells Fargo bank account to establish a new financial relationship. If you don't have a credit card, apply for one specifically designed for rebuilding credit. Use the card responsibly by making small purchases and paying off the balance each month. Set up automatic payments to avoid missed payments and potential late fees. Consider setting a savings goal to build an emergency fund. Explore financial education resources available through Wells Fargo. Look into credit counseling programs that can offer personal guidance. Monitor your credit score regularly to track your progress. Gradually apply for secured loans to build credit, ensuring you can make the payments. Utilize Wells Fargo's banking tools to manage your finances effectively. Revisit your credit report after a few months to see improvements. Continue to educate yourself on personal finance and money management. Stay committed to maintaining healthy financial habits for long-term recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.